Oh, a nice old spot here, folks, right on the side of the road. Unfortunately, it's already been dug. I'd say it looks like it's been dug twice. All this stuff up through here where all those weeds are growing, I would say is a tailum pile. It's already been dug long ago. And then right down in here, I got a pile of stuff. It looks like it's probably been dug maybe a couple of years ago. Out of the side here. But right on the top of the pile, check this out. That's old. I'm going to take that. Some really old glass in here, but unfortunately it's all broke, anything I found, and I'm sure any of the good ones are long gone. Alright, well, later. Okay, I got a hole started here, folks. I'm pretty sure this place has already been dug, but I'm not 100% sure, but I'm pretty sure. But anyways, check this here out. Just come out. Marmalade. Got a date down here, 1862. Great Britain. Yeah, would have been nice. But I think I got an ink in the hole here too. Check that out. Oh, it's chipped. Little barrel ink. Base embossed. Carters. Alright, let's keep going. Well, I may have spoke too soon, folks. I just come down, I got that little axe head right in there. I come down through here. I see a cork top down here in the bushes. Big slug in the neck of it. It looks to be whole. Don't see any embossing on it. Oh no, it's busted. Henry K. Wampole Company. That is an oldie too. That is heavy, heavy set glass. Blown in a mold. With a tooled lip. Yeah, that's an old one. Oh, that's a shame. Well, folks, the stop wasn't a complete waste, I guess. On the way up over the bank here, I got a few surface finds here. And this here is a good one. It's not embossed, but it's a shaker. It's got a ground lip on it. If I can get focused on it there. And it's a manganese glass. Nice one. That would have been nice, some sort of neuralgic anodyne. Which you'll something. My little blob top on that. Alright, well, I'll take this. So I got this and the axe head out of here, so maybe I'll stop by another time and do a little more scraping around. You never know, they might have left something behind. Good day, YouTubers. I'm heading into the dig site here, a dig site this morning, and it's nice and cool here this morning. Starting to feel a bit like fall in the mornings here, so it makes digging a little better. Not so hot. I'm gonna get in there and I'll probably dig around for maybe a couple hours. And there's a couple other spots I'm thinking about checking out again today as well. So we'll see after what I feel like after I'm done digging here. But for now, that's gonna be it. I'll get you up on the next good find once we get to the site. Okay, folks, I'm on site here, and the first thing to come out is this right here. Not quite sure what it is, but Looks like some sort of bell cluster or something. Chains on it. Looks to be all brass. Maybe like part of a doorbell or something? I don't know. Quite interesting anyways. I think I'll take it home and clean it up. Looks like an interesting little find yet. Okay folks, I think I see a marble right in there sticking out of the wall. You see that? Right there. I found an interesting one last time I was here too, so maybe there was a jar or something of them here. Who knows? Maybe we'll get into a nice little pocket of marbles, but let's pull that one out. Yeah, looks like it's a bit warped. Maybe it's been melted. Can't tell for sure, but it's like a light blue and white. Yep. Thought we might get focused on it there, but anyways, there it is. Let's keep digging. Hard old going digging through all this metal, folks. Real hard going. I got a milk glass find here. It's a nice big jar. It might even be embossed down here. Something on it there. Can't make it out. Nice shape to that one though. I'll hang on to that. Look good cleaned up, I would imagine. Alright. Okay, next find, folks. This one right here. Nothing too spectacular. Boy, the lighting's not good at all in here. It just does not want to focus. But anyways, it's a Lavoris. I thought it was going to be a Listerine at first. Lavoris, and on the back side here is a little star. Somewhere right there. Anyways, I'll take it and get it cleaned up and check it out. On the base it says Lavoris Chemical Company. It's probably just a common bottle, but we'll check it out anyways. That's a nice piece of marble glass there, folks. Just dropped out. I might keep that, put it in my box of shards. Be surprised how many people buy shards to do crafts with. But I see down there is an amber cork top that just rolled out as well. Reach down in. Okay, it's one of those Kendall Spavin cures or something. Kendall Spavin treatment. Machine made amber bottle, but it is a cork top and it's a nice shape, so I'll keep that one. I've only ever found a couple of these. They're a nice bottle. Alright. Decent bottle to find, yep. Let's keep going. Next find just rolled out, folks. It's right under my tip of my shovel there. There you go. Oh. That is definitely, looks like a shaker. Not sure what it's made of. Pewter maybe? Top of it might be silver. It's heavy. Can't make out anything on the base. Gonna have to get it cleaned up. But it's ornate for sure. It's quite heavy. Could be a nice little find. Alright. Got the base to a big old amber one sticking out here, folks. And Pretty sure it's a Father John's medicine. And we know it's a fairly old one because it's face embossed. I can see the embossing on the face of it there. But is it a cork top? That's the next question. Probably not. It's probably just an early screw top one. Lug style, late 20s, early 30s. But let's go ahead and pull it out and see for sure. Oh, stuck. Yep, it's a lug style screw top. Late 20s, early 30s, but it's a nice one. Father John's Medicine, Montreal, Canada. Yep. Big old bottle. Good day, YouTubers. Thanks for joining me here on another bottle digging recap. I hope everybody's doing well and staying healthy. Now, this bottle digging video took place at 2 different locations. Now, one I didn't have much luck at, but the other one I got a few pretty good finds. So let's get right into that. We got the Kendall. Let's get focused first. There we go. Kendall S. Spavin treatment. Nice little cork top bottle. It is machine made though, this one. And the base is embossed Ennisburg Falls, Vermont. I believe that VT must stand for. Made in USA. Nice little bottle. I found a couple of these in the past. They do come blown as well. We've got a Lavoris bottle, which is a mouthwash. Nice little cork top. This one is machine made once again. When I pulled it out, I thought it was going to be a Listerine, but it's a different type of mouthwash. It's a very similar bottle. Lavoris Chemical Company, Minneapolis. There's that one. Nice milk glass jar. I normally keep the bigger milk glass jars and some of the smaller, more interesting ones. This one's got some embossing on the face of it. Some sort of little design here. I'm assuming that would have had a paper label right there in that rectangle. No embossing on the base. Nice jar. Here's an interesting glass shard, like a carnival glass. I keep lots of these shards. I'll put this in a shoebox I got full of different shards, different colors and different patterns on them. And I normally can sell a 20-pound shoebox full of shards for about 30 bucks, so I'm not going to pass that up. Next we got the big old Father John's medicine. This one's from Montreal, Canada. Got the lug style screw top on it. Late 20s, early 30s. Nice looking bottle. Dominion glass mark on the base. And these are fairly common as well. Now we're getting into some more interesting finds. This here, check it out. Now, I'm guessing this is like one of those old doorbells that would hang over like a store door. When you open the door, it would jingle. That's just a guess, but that's what it looks like to me. This one here is missing off it, that little dinger. But pretty neat little item. Kind of cool. Next is this shaker. Didn't clean up quite as well as I was hoping. And it's not silver, so that's still kind of neat to find. Yeah, that's that. Got marble number 16 for this year, and this one's melted, it appears. It's a little bit out of roundness, but it would have been a nice one. Blue and white swirls. That's, like I say, marble number 16. I'll put it in the marble jar for 2021. There we go. And also this little tin, which cleaned up pretty good, but it isn't anything special. Kind of heavy though. couple little cobalt blue bottles. That one's still got the cap on it. Octagon shaped Noxzema. And then from the other location, we got this roofer's cedar shingle hatchet head. And that's pretty old, as you can tell. That's been around for a while. I was going to put it through electrolysis, but I never got around to it. But either way, it's in pretty good condition even without the electrolysis. Right, check it out. Yeah, nice little find. And the second find from that location is this manganese glass shaker with the ground lip. Can't get a real good look at it there. I'll try to get a better picture of it. And that's going to be blown, and then they shear the top off and ground it down. So that's that. Nice little find. Big bubble in it. That site there, lots of old stuff in it, but unfortunately it's been dug at least once. But if I get the time, I might go back and dig around in a little more. You never know what they might have missed or what they didn't take on purpose, but it'd be nice. It's always fun to dig around in those really old sites. Alright, so that's going to be it for this one, folks. Hope you enjoyed the video and the finds. We'll see you all in the next one. Have a great day, everybody. Stay healthy. Over and out.